The most expensive squad in Euro 2024 is England, with a total squad value of 1.52 billion as of June 17, 2024. This is the highest valuation among the 24 teams participating in the tournament, according to data from Transfermarkt. The strength of the Three Lions comes from their squad of talented young players, including Jude Bellingham. The 19-year-old midfielder is valued at 180 million, equal to Kylian Mbappe and the most expensive player in the world. Phil Foden, the 24-year-old attacking star from Man City, is valued at 150 million. Bukayo Saka, the 21-year-old winger from Arsenal, is valued at 140 million. Declan Rice, the 24-year-old defensive midfielder from West Ham, is valued at 120 million. In addition, the England squad also features other stars such as Harry Kane, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Mason Mount, and more. With their expensive squad and impressive form, England are considered one of the top contenders for the Euro 2024 title.